Welcome to the channel everybody, thank you for checking out this video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to import presets into Lightroom. Now also in this video I'm going to show you how to get 12 completely free presets, so let's jump straight into the video. Now this is where you got to go. There will be a link in the description below or in the pinned comment, and you head over to www.freelightroompresets.co, and over there you see this website. You go to the top for free presets, click there, and then these are all the free presets you get. Now you choose one you like. Let's go for Sincerely Yours. You click on that, scroll down, gives you a few sample images of what you get with this preset, and you can download by clicking the free download. Once you've downloaded your presets that you want, go to the location on your computer where you've downloaded them to. In this case they're in my T drive, but it'll be somewhere different to you, and all you're going to do is extract them. Now I'm going to extract them to the same folder just like so, and there they are. So now we open up Lightroom and I'll show you how to import them. Okay, so we've loaded up Lightroom and I've imported this image into Lightroom. Now if you don't know how to do that, it's very easy. You go to the top up here, library, and down the bottom import, and you import your image. Now how do we add a preset or import a preset into Lightroom? It's very simple. You come over to the left hand side of Lightroom, and here's all our presets. We go to the plus, click plus, import preset, and then what you're going to do is you're going to find where your presets are. In my case it's in the T drive, and there's all our files that we extracted. So let's go for Sincerely Yours. I'm using Lightroom Classic, so we go into Lightroom Classic and then double click on the preset, and there it is. It imports it into Lightroom. Now the important thing to remember with any preset is to make sure your white balance is correct. Go over to your white pinpointer, white balance selector pinpointer, and choose something white in your image. If you don't have anything white in your image, you can manually adjust your temperature and tint over here to the right hand side. So choose something white. In this case I'm just going to click on these waves over here, and that gives us our good white balance. So then when we hover over our preset, it gives us a preview of what it's going to look like, and to apply that all you have to do is double click it. So we double click it, and now that's applied to our image, and all our highlight, shadow, whites, etc. has been altered in our basic menu. Now you can adjust the amount of look that you get with your preset by moving the slider up here in the top left, and that's how you control how to import presets into your Lightroom 2022. Now if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like down there. I have no affiliation with that website. It's a completely free website. It's just one that I've used their presets before. So if you have enjoyed this and you've got something from it, give it a big like. If you want to see further content from myself, hit that subscribe button. But for now that's it. We'll catch up in the next video. See you soon guys.